Hello Cricut creators. So today we are going to take some epoxy and a design off of a stainless steel tumbler. If you've been watching, you know that I just made the cup turner, which I will link that video to this video. And I've made a few cups which you will see here in the near future, but I've also made some cups that I want to strip and start over again. So with that being the case, please like, subscribe, hit that bell. Let me tell you a few things that you're going to need. Aluminum foil, acetone, paper towels, the cup you want to redo, of course. Or if you have a cup that's been in the microwave and it's stripping apart, in the dishwasher and it's stripping its color and stuff, this is something that you can do to that. And then I'm just going to use some pans so that I can control everything, along with a bag. Some Dollar Trees used to sell these bags with a little handle on it. This is really so it can sit overnight and soak. So with that being said, let's get started. Okay, so this process, from what I've seen, seems pretty easy. I've watched a few videos myself. I have a roll of paper towels here, the one that you can do the any size kind of thing. So pretty much you take your acetone, which right on the can it says epoxy. I got this from Home Depot. They also have it at Walmart. They have it at Lowe's. So I guess whatever's near to you. So you want to soak your paper towel good, and you just want to wrap it around your cup. So you're going to soak that paper towel good, and I'm just kind of folding mine so you can have that extra acetone in there. As you can see, I have on gloves. One, I have my nails done. I don't want to mess them up. And two, the acetone will eat through the gloves. I've actually doubled this pair because I don't think I have the right pair on for acetone, but we're gonna work with what we got. So basically, like I said, I'm just soaking the paper towel and wrapping it around the cup. Gonna do one more. You might want to use a mask as well, because of course this acetone is strong. You've gotten your nails done, you know that just from getting your nails done. But okay, so once you have your cup wrapped, because really all this acetone is doing is just going to soak on here and take off all of the epoxy. So I went to the Dollar Tree because the Dollar Tree has this rental wraps and sheets. I figured that might be better for what I'm trying to do. So I'm just going to take a sheet and wrap it around that wet paper towel, folding it in, and one more. So 2 sheets should do the job. And then all you're gonna do is put this inside of a bag. I'm gonna do 2 of these, so I'm gonna put 2 in this bag, but you put 2 inside this bag, and you let it sit overnight, and we will come back tomorrow with what that looks like. But again, so since I have 2 that I need to do, I'm just going to show you quickly again that you are just soaking your paper towel, and as you can see, the acetone is eating through. I already put a hole in my glove, so I definitely don't have the right kind. And you're going to do that all the way around. And I'm redoing like this one because it was the very first cup that I did, and it had a lot of air bubbles in it. So I just wanted to redo it without all of that stuff in there. So again, simple process, much easier than you probably would have imagined. But once you have that in there, I'm just going to take a sheet, wrap it around. This one I don't have epoxy on the bottom, so that I'm only going to do the one, and tighten it up, stick it in the bag, and let it sit till tomorrow. So I'll come back tomorrow with the rest of this. See you then. Hello, it is the next day. All right, so let's open up these bags and let's see what we have. And hopefully a good result. So, see how it's peeling off? Yikes. This one actually needs a little bit longer. It hasn't been, like, I'm gonna put that back in because we got that first layer of epoxy off, but you know, the paint and the glitter still on there. So I'm gonna let this one actually soak for a little bit longer. I will redo this after this video. Let's see what this one looks like. It's been about maybe 15 hours, if that. So let's see. This one's kind of the same thing. Look at that. So, but as you can see, all of the epoxy's off. So we just have the paint to deal with. So this one, I probably could just take a tile. Look at that. That's all off. So all of your epoxy is off on this one, or all of the epoxy is off on this one. And if I just got a rag, I probably could wipe the rest of this off. But as you can see, an epoxy free cup, but because that paint is there, I still need to get the paint off. So let me get a rag. Okay, so I want to say these are like this because I actually used acrylic paint. I think if it was spray paint, it probably would have came off better than this. But as you can see, I'm able to just, with the acetone and some gloves, because I didn't have gloves on when I first did this, able to just really take a rag and just get the rest of the paint off. So, so the process, you know, from yesterday, you just want to make sure you wrap the cup in some paper towels with some acetone on it. Let it sit. I let this sit overnight. So after I finished getting off work, I came home, I wrapped it with you guys, and then I let it sit overnight. Came home today a little bit earlier, and went straight to my craft room to record this video so that you guys could see. So I would say, you know, if it's not 15 hours, maybe it's 18 hours. I don't know, because I don't remember what time I got home yesterday. But anyways, so again, as you can see, it's cleaning up. So that's really all you have to do. And again, that'll work on both of these. So really, you probably don't need to pour it directly on it, but I'm just doing it to help it out. But as you can see, the black is even coming off here. So a little bit of elbow grease if you didn't want to let it soak some more. So I don't really need to let this soak again. I just need to use a little grease, elbow grease, and rub that on off. So I'm going to do that, but that's pretty much the way that you do it. Please like, subscribe, hit that bell. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. And I'll see you all the next time.